Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how effective the insulin plant in curing diabetes. I have studied few articles and some cross-sectional studies where they conducted some clinical trials or human studies on the efficacy of insulin plant in reducing the sugar levels. I pasted the URL link of this study in the description box. You can check it out. Normally, insulin is produced by the organ called pancreas in our human body. Whenever insulin production is defective or it's not secreted, it results in diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, which is juvenile diabetes, where we most commonly seen in children, and the type 2 diabetes, adult diabetes, where we commonly seen in older age, and the gestational diabetes, where we most commonly seen in pregnant people. So, to reduce the blood sugar levels, normally doctors recommend the artificial insulin to control the diabetes. In Ayurvedam, they use insulin plants to reduce the blood sugar levels. This insulin plant belongs to Zingiberacea family and Comacostus cuspidatus species. It is also called step ladder or spiral flag with oblique shaped leaves and yellow-orange flowers, which is most commonly grown in Brazil, America, and in southern India, Tamil Nadu, as well as in Kerala. This plant is easily available in nurseries, Ayurvedic stores, as well as in online also. Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore people, they conducted a cross-sectional study on people eating this insulin plant leaves, and they found that these insulin leaves contain chlorophyllic acid, which is very effective in reducing the blood sugar levels. They recommend 2 leaves or 1 teaspoon of dried leaf powder every morning on empty stomach, along with regular medications, regular exercise, and balanced diet will help in reducing the blood sugar levels in the diabetic people. Have a safe day. Thank you for watching.